In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a new row to a table in your WordPress post or page. Whether you're looking to expand your list, add more information, or simply organize your content better, it's a straightforward process once you know how. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow. First, you'll want to start by editing the specific post or page where your table is located. Begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Now, this is your main control center, where you can navigate to various aspects of your website. Once you're logged in, you'll see options on the left-hand menu. Go ahead and click on either Posts or Pages, depending on where your table is. Once you find the relevant post or page, click the Edit button, which will open up the editor where you can access and modify your content. With the editor open, it's time to focus on the table you want to modify. Click directly on the table within the editor area. When you do this, look out for the block toolbar. It should appear right above or around your table. This toolbar will give you the necessary options and tools to adjust and refine your table's settings and structure. If you don't see the toolbar, make sure you've clicked directly on the table and that it's recognized as an element within WordPress's block editor. Next, we'll proceed to add a new row to this table. The ability to expand your table with more rows allows for better flexibility and organization of content. In the toolbar that appeared, you'll notice an icon resembling a grid, which is labeled as Edit Table. This is your button to modify the structure of your table. Click on this icon, and you will then be presented with a few options. These options allow you to decide precisely where you want to add a new row, either before the current row you're focused on or after it. This flexibility ensures that your table maintains the order and flow you envision. Selecting Insert Row Before will add a row above your current selection, while Insert Row After will place it below. After making your choice, a new row is now part of your table, ready and waiting for you to start typing in your additional content. This is particularly useful if you're updating content frequently or perhaps refining data on your page. Remember that your table should remain clear and concise, giving viewers an easy-to-understand layout of information. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to add more rows to a table in WordPress. Tables are an excellent method for organizing data and guiding readers through important pieces of information. By following these steps, you're ensuring that your website remains organized and up to date. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful in expanding your WordPress expertise.